Building an emergency fund is one of the most important steps toward financial security. It acts as a safety net when unexpected expenses strike, whether it's a medical bill, car repair, or a sudden loss of income. Let's explore the three foundational steps to establishing a solid emergency fund.
First, assess your monthly expenses. Take a careful look at your budget, tallying your essential costs, like rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, insurance payments, and any recurring bills. This will help you understand exactly how much it takes to keep your household running each month. Financial experts typically recommend setting aside between 3 to 6 months' worth of essential expenses, but knowing your precise monthly needs allows you to set a realistic and personalized goal.
Next, create a dedicated savings plan. Open a separate savings account, ideally one that is easily accessible but not too easy to dip into, such as a high-yield savings account. Automation can be your best friend here. Set up a recurring transfer from your main account to your emergency fund, even if it's a small amount. Treat this transfer like any other bill, making it a non-negotiable part of your budget. Starting with smaller, manageable amounts is perfectly acceptable. What matters most is building the habit and maintaining consistency.
Finally, focus on growing your fund over time. Life is unpredictable, and your emergency fund should evolve as your circumstances change. Review your fund's progress regularly, especially after significant life events like moving, changing jobs, or expanding your family. Reevaluate your savings goals and adjust your contributions when possible, such as after a raise or reduction in other household costs. Remember, patience and discipline will transform your emergency fund from a small cushion to a robust safety net, providing peace of mind through life's unexpected challenges.